Hi guys, good evening. All are getting my screen and voice. Please
Recording in
confirm.
progress.
All are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm in chat box. Good. See, last session we discussed about git stash command. What is git stash? When we will go for git stash? How to use that git stash? All those things we discussed in last session. So, as part of today's session, so we are going to discuss some more important commands, guys. Please observe carefully. And these are the very important commands what we are going to see. So let me open Paint first. See guys, here I have one GitHub repository. This is my GitHub repository. Right, whenever you create this GitHub repository, by default, you will get one branch inside this GitHub repository. Whenever you created this repository, by default, you will get one branch which is called as master branch. Some people will call it as main branch. Some people will call it as master branch. Right? When you create the repository, developers are not going to create the repository. Administrators will create the repository for us. They will give that repository details. Who will create the branches? The repository is creating by administrators. Who will create the branches inside that repository? Developers only. Developers can create the branches inside the repository. But this repository will be created by administrator only. Whenever they created this repository, automatically we will get one branch which is called as the main branch. Right? Apart this main branch, based on your requirements, you can create any number of branches. Developers can create any number of branches. See here, I told already in previous sessions, right, I have given one example also for this. Now observe carefully. So here we have multiple branches are there like this. What branches are there? Developers are going to create one branch with the name called as developers will create one branch with the name called as develop branch. Right. At the same time, testing team also they will Selenium testing, automation Selenium testing programs. For that, they will create one testing branch also. They will create one testing branch also. Otherwise, let me explain in this way. So why we need to create these branches, guys? Observe project which is banking project. In that banking project, we have multiple modules are available. One is loans module. One is the loans module. Another one is net banking, internet banking, insurance module. So like this, multiple modules are available in this banking project. See here, whenever this repository master branch, see here, loans is there, internet banking is there, cards is there, insurance. These are the different modules which we have in our project. Suppose, right, if you did all these things, if you do in single branch, what it will happen, guys? There may be a chance of breaking existing functionalities. Right? If you do all these things in single branch, what it will happen? There may be a chance of breaking existing functionalities. So that's why instead of doing all these things in single branch, here I am going to create separate branch for each and every module. For loans branch, I will create one loans module. For internet banking, I will create one internet banking module. For cards, I will create separate branch which is cards, and insurance, I will create separate branch insurance. Like this, we can create different branches. Functionality we will implement in this loans branch. Internet banking functionality we will implement in this internet banking. Cards related functionalities we will implement in this cards branch. Insurance one we will implement in this insurance branch. If you do like this, what it will happen? Existing functionalities won't get a break. Existing functionalities won't get break if you create the separate branches. See guys, now tell me what is the advantages of this breaking branches? See, in the companies, tomorrow, once you guys are joined in the companies, there also, right, by default, you guys will get one main branch like this. And apart that main branch, developers will create one branch with the name called as development. Development branch they will create. Next, right, QA team will create one branch with the name called as QA, testing. Right, next, future related functionalities, guys. Future, sometimes we need to do, right, we need to work on that other functionalities, future functionalities. For that we will create future branch. Right, sometimes R&D teams also available in our projects, right? They will do research, right? The research team, whatever they did research, all those things they will put in one research branch, one release branch. Like that, for everything we will create different branches at here. Right, now we'll see practically all these things. All these things practically we'll see, guys. Right, now let me go to my GitHub. Let me go to my GitHub, guys. See here, I have one project. So one Maven project is available. See here, what branch is available, guys? Here, how many branches are available? Only one branch with the name master. Only one branch with the name master is available. Whenever you created this repository, it automatically you got this master branch. Now what I want to do, I want to create one more new branch. I want to create one feature branch. Feature branch I want to create. For that, what I am going to do, see guys, see, just see, you need to go to master branch. From where you need to create the branch, first we need to go to that location. See, from master branch I want to create. If you create the branch from master branch, inside that master branch, whatever you have, everything you will get into newly creating branch, guys. I want to create the branch from master branch. By the time of creating the new branch, whatever the files are available inside this master branch, everything you will get into newly creating branch, guys. See how you will create the branch at here. Click on this down arrow. Click on this down arrow. Here you can see and find or create a branch. Find or create a branch. Here I am going to create feature branch. Feature branch I am creating it here. Feature branch. See here you can able to read. Create branch feature from master. I want to create feature branch from master. So now what it will happen? Inside this master, whatever the files are available, everything you will get into this feature. Right, once you create the branch, this master and feature both are up to date. Both are up to date, guys. Right, now just to give the name of the branch, feature. Right, just click enter. Branch is creating. Fine. See guys, now here you can see total how many branches are available. Here you can see total how many branches are available. Master branch and feature branch. Master branch and feature branch is available. Now if you want to switch to master branch, here just click on this master. Just click on this master. See guys, now you are in master branch. Inside the master branch, whatever the files are available, everything you will get in feature branch also. Why? Because you created that feature branch from a master branch only. So in that master branch, whatever the files are available, everything you got in feature branch also. Is it clear, guys? Like this, we can create any number of branches. I want to create one more branch with the name develop. Develop branch I want to create. Develop I want to create. See, create branch develop from feature. Click on this. See guys, develop branch is creating. Guys, in company we will do like this only. In company we will do like this only. See guys, develop branch is created. Now here total how many branches are available? Master, develop, feature. 3 branches are available. 3 branches are available guys. Now observe carefully. Here let me go to D drive. Let me go to D drive. Inside D drive, I am creating one folder with the name Git practices. Just I am taking one name called Git practices. Git practices. Open this folder. Open this folder. From here, I am going to open the Git bash. From here, right click and click on this Git bash. Right here, what I want to do, I want to clone the project. I want to clone the Maven project. If you want to clone the Maven project from here, from GitHub repository to your local system, which command I need to run? Which command I need to run? Guys, respond. Already we discussed. Inside the GitHub repository, whatever the code is available, right? This is one repository. I want to get this repository in my local system. Then what command I need to give? Respond, guys. What command I need to give to get the code? Hello? Hello? Fine guys. Here we are going to use git clone command. Git clone command. If I give git clone repo URL, git clone git clone that URL, how you will get the URL? See here, click on this down arrow. Here you can able to see the URL. Just click it here, that URL will be copied. Now here, paste this one. Paste this one. If you give like this, from which branch you will get the code? Here total how many branches are there? 3 branches are there. Develop branch, master branch and feature branch. 3 branches are available. Here what I am doing, I am giving git clone that repository URL. Right. From which branch you will get the code here? Tell me guys, from which branch you will get the code? Here from which branch you will get the code? Please respond. Main branch you will get. But I don't want to get the code from main branch. I want to get the code from develop branch. Then what I need to do? If I want to get the code from develop branch, then what I need to do? I don't want to get from main branch. Right here, after git clone, we need to give the branch name. From which branch you want to get the code, that branch name also we need to specify. By using which option we will specify the branch name? By using option B. Option B, we will specify the branch name. Here, develop branch. I want to get the code from develop branch. I want to get the code. Enter. Cloning into Maven project. Done. Now go to that location. See here, Maven project is created. See, whatever the files are available at here, all the files are cloned into your system. See guys, everything is available. Now, I want to go to inside this file. I want to go to inside the project. How I can able to go? If I want to go to inside the project, what is the command I need to give? Please respond guys. cd maven. See guys, right, currently I am in which branch? In this repository, we have multiple branches are available. What branches are available? Main branch, right? Develop branch, feature branch. Currently, we are in which branch? Develop branch. Currently, we are in develop branch. Right? How you can able to know in which branch currently we are in? How you can able to know in which branch we are in? Please respond guys. How you can able to know in which branch we are in? Right, we need to give the command git branch. See guys, here it is showing. Currently you are in develop branch. Currently you are in develop branch. Right? Not present working directory, man. Not present working directory. Right, Babani, not present working directory. We need to give git branch. Git branch we need to give. Right, git branch will give currently you are in which branch. This star will represent currently we are in develop branch. Understood? This is the command which we need to use to know our current branch. To know our current branch. Fine, guys. Now, in this develop branch, I'm going to create one file. Right, I'm going to create one file, touch. Right here, I'm going to create application.yml. Application.yml. One file I am creating it here. Touch application.yml file I am creating it here. Right now, check the status. Git status. See, this application.yml file is in untracked file. Right, if you want to commit this one, first what you need to do, you need to send this file to staging area. Git add. So now check the status. Git status. Now see, this file moved to staging area and this file is ready to commit. How you will commit? Git commit -m, right, added YML file. This is my commit message. You can give any commit message, guys. Right, enter. Right, file is committed. Now I want to move this file. To right, GitHub repository. I want to move this file to central repository. How you will move? By using git push command. We can move this file to central repository. See, guys, this file is moved. To central repository. Now let me go and check whether this file came or not. Currently we are in develop branch. In the develop branch only we did the changes. See, guys, here we don't have that application.yml file. Refresh the screen. Before that we don't have the file. Now let me refresh the screen. See, guys, here application.yml file is available. Just now, 1 minute ago only, I have pushed this file from my local repository to this GitHub remote repository. Application.yml file. Guys, so once my development activity is completed, right, whatever I have implemented in develop branch, everything is working perfect. Right, I have implemented some code in a develop branch. Whatever I have implemented, that everything is working perfect. Now what I want to do, I want to merge that one with the master branch. I want to merge this developer branch with master branch. Right? So now, if you want to merge this developer branch with master branch, what we need to do? Guys, whatever I am doing in my companies, whatever regularly I will do in my companies, the same thing I am explaining it here. See, now I want to merge this develop branch with the master branch. For that, what we need to do? We can't able to merge directly. For that, we need to compare this master branch and the develop branch, and we need to raise one PR. Right? In companies, people will call PR. Arey PR raise chesava, antarandi. Right? Don't get confused. Right? If you want to merge one branch with another branch, first we need to raise PR in the companies. PR is nothing but what? Pull request. See, here you can able to see pull request. Compare and pull request. If you want to merge develop branch with master branch, first we need to compare both the branches and we need to raise the pull request. Why we need to compare? In both the branches, if there is any differences, then only we need to do the merge. If there is no difference in both the branches, then why we need to merge? Not required. Right? Before raising the PR, see guys, before merging, what we need to do? We need to raise one PR, pull request we need to raise. See guys, just click on this one, compare and pull request. Click on compare and pull request. See guys, here you can able to see what we are going to do. Right, we are going to compare and merge develop branch to master branch. See this arrow mark. From develop branch, I have some changes. I want to merge those changes with base. Base is what? Master branch. Right? This developer branch, I want to merge with this master branch. In my developer branch, I have some changes. I want to add those changes with this master branch. Understood, guys? Right? Create pull request. In companies, we will call it as PR. PR stands for pull request. If any branch wants to merge with some other branch, first we need to raise the PR. First we need to raise the PR, guys. See here, in the companies, what we will do, right? At the time of creating the PR, we need to add some reviewers also. We need to add some reviewers also. Right? Whom we need to put in that reviewers? Your leads. Your leads you need to put. Some people will put, suppose today, observe carefully. 1 minute. Here I have one file with the name. Test.java. Test.java. I have one file. This test.java file is created by some other developer. Right? Before, now what I am going to do, I am not creating this file. This file is already created. This file already available in our remote repository. Now, what defect came, to fix that defect, I need to modify in this file, right? I need to do some modification inside this file. For that, I did the required changes inside the file. So after making the changes, we need to merge this code with the master branch. Right? Before merging, right, at the time of merging, we need to raise the before merging. Before merging, we need to raise the PR. Right? In that PR, we need to put some reviewers also. Right? To whom we need to put the reviewers? Some companies, guys, the hierarchy will get changed from company to company. Some companies will put only leads, guys. Whoever access to approve the PR, right? Those people only we need to put, right? In some other companies, right? They will put like this. Who created this test.java file? That person we need to put as the reviewer. And before you, if any other person make any changes inside the file, before you, if any other persons did any changes inside the file, those names also you need to put. Why we need to put those name changes? Maybe because of your changes, other person, before you, some other people also worked on this file. Maybe that person changes will gone. That person need to verify that their changes are there or not. That person need to verify. So that's why who created this file, and before you, whoever modified this file, those names we need to put as the reviewers. Some companies only leads name we need to put as the reviewers, guys. See, whenever you raise the PR, that request will go to those persons. Right, whoever reviewers you have mentioned, right, your request will go to those people. Those people will get some mail. Right, they need to open this PR. And they need to verify what changes you have done. Right, if your changes are acceptable, then they need to approve this PR. Once, right, they approve the PR, then, right, you can able to merge the request. We can able to merge it with the master, guys. Directly you can't able to merge developer branch with the master. Before that, you need to raise one pull request. Right? At the time of raising the pull request, you need to give the reviewers also. Right? So at least minimum 2 reviewers approvals are required, guys. Minimum 2 reviewers approvals are required at here. Right? Whenever you create the PR, one request will go to the reviewers. Reviewers needs to open this file, open your changes, and they need to verify. If your changes are acceptable, these reviewers need to approve this PR. Right? Once they approve your PR, then you can able to merge your request from developer branch to master branch. That is what happening in the companies. Understood, guys? Understood. Here we need to give some comment. Why you are raising this PR, we need to give the comment. I have fixed so and so defect. So I need to merge the defect changes with master branch. That's why I am raising the PR. Here you need to give some comment. Right? Merge comment. PR. Merge comment. Right? Some comment you need to give. Here reviewers, I am not giving anything, guys. Before you giving the reviewers, first we need to configure, guys. Request up to 15 reviewers. You can add up to 15 reviewers, guys. You can add 15 reviewers, right? Up to maximum 15 reviewers you can add, right? Minimum 1 or 2, how many people you want based on your company. Based on your companies, they will decide how many people you need to add. You need to add those people. Whenever you create the PR, your request will go to those people, right? Your request will go to those reviewers. They need to review and they need to approve. Then only you can able to merge the PR. That's it, guys. This is what people will do in the right, guys. Now here I'm going to click on this create pull request. Now I am not giving any reviewers, right? I'm going to create the pull request. See, guys, not yet merged, guys. Not yet merged. See, guys, this branch has no conflict with the base branch. What it is telling, there is no conflicts. You happily you can able to merge, it is telling. If there is any conflicts here, it will show, array boss, there was some conflicts. Manually you need to verify those conflicts, like that. You will get the message at here. You will get the message. But now what it is telling, there is no conflicts with the base branch. Happily you can merge it. Happily you can merge it. Right. Okay. Tell me, after merging develop branch, whatever the branch I am merging with master branch, that develop branch, still I require it here. Still I required. That is as your wish, guys. If you want, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can delete that develop branch also. If you want, you can keep. Otherwise, you can delete that develop branch. Once a develop branch code you merged with that master branch, there is no use of that develop branch. Whatever you have in that develop branch, everything came to master branch. Then what is the use of the development branch? Not required. If you want, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can delete that development branch also once this merging is done. See, guys, here we need to merge this PR. We need to merge this PR, guys. Merge request, right? Merge PR. Just click on this. Confirm merge, it is adding. Added YML file. This is only you are going to merge. Merge pull request. In this merge request, what I am getting inside the develop branch, YML file is came. That is what I am going to merge. Yes, confirm it. Right. Pull request successfully merged and closed. Pull request successfully merged and closed. After merging, do you want to delete that develop branch? You can delete from here. So here we have the option to delete the branch. If you want, you can delete it. Otherwise, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can keep it, guys. Pull request successfully merged and closed. Okay. Delete branch. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? How to merge one branch with another branch? Is it clear? Now let me go to. Now let me check in the master branch. In that master branch, that application.yml file is came or not, I want to verify. In that master branch, application.yml file is came or not, I want to verify. For that, go to this Maven. Go to this Maven project. See, guys, here click on this. See, guys, here develop branch is available. No, we deleted, right? Right, we deleted the develop branch. That's why you can't able to see that. Now click on this master branch and verify that application.yml file came or not. Yes, application.yml file is merged successfully. Application.yml file is merged successfully at here. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? How to merge one branch with another branch. This is the process what we need to do in the companies. Respond, guys. Please respond. Is it clear or not clear? How to merge one branch with another branch. Is it clear or not clear? Very, very, very important question in interview. In interview, they will ask how to create a branch. How to merge one branch with another branch. Right? What is pull request? They will ask this kind of questions. What is branch? What is branch? How to merge? How to create the branch? How to merge one branch with another branch? What is a pull request? Everything they will ask in the interviews. Very, very important, this merging. Right, guys. Now tell me, what is the purpose of branches, guys? What is the main purpose of branches? What is the purpose of branches? To maintain. Branches are used to maintain separate code bases. Right? Separate code bases. Instead of doing everything in single branch, we can create n number of branches and we can maintain separate code bases. For loans app, we can maintain separate code base. For cards, we can maintain separate code base. For insurance, we can maintain separate code base. Right? We will use these branches to maintain separate code bases for our project. Branches are used to maintain separate code bases for our project. Right? Separate code bases for our project. Right? So Git repository is created by admin people. GitHub repository will created by admin people. Git admin, guys, GitHub admins are there, those people will create. Right? At the time of creating the Git repository, we will get one default branch, which is main branch or master branch. By default, we will get one main branch in GitHub repository. Right? So we can create any number of other branches. We can create any number of other branches in GitHub repository. And what branches we can create? We can create like this. By default, you will get main branch. Right? You can create developer branch. You can create, and you can create feature branch, and you can create UAT branch. Right? Otherwise, just take like QA branch, and we can take release branch, etc. Like this, you can create any number of branches. Any number of branches you can create. Here in GitHub, we can create multiple branches, right? To clone particular branch, in Git repository. To clone particular branch in Git repository, we will use below command. What command we need to use? This is the command git clone -b. Right? Here we need to give the branch name. Suppose if you want to clone from develop branch, we need to give the develop. If you want to clone from release branch, we need to give the release. Like that. Here branch name we need to give branch name, and here repo URL we need to give. Like this. Git clone -b space branch name space repo URL name we need to give. Guys, please go through these steps once. Please go through the steps. So next what we are doing is merging. Branch merging. Branch merging. What is this branch merging, guys? What is this branch merging? The process of merging changes from one branch to another branch is called as branch merging. The process of merging changes from one branch to another branch. One branch to another branch is called as branch merging. The process of merging changes from one branch to another branch is called as branch merging. Right? See, to do this merging, we need to raise the pull request also. We will use pull request for branch merging. We will use pull request. Right, in companies we will call it as PR. We will call. PR stands for pull request. And we will raise pull request for branch merging. Branch merging. Right. How we will merge, guys? What is the steps we need to follow for merging? Steps to do branch merging. This merging concept is very, very important, guys. At first, create one develop branch from main branch. Create develop branch from main branch or master branch. Create one develop branch from main branch. Right. Clone develop branch into your system. Clone develop branch into your system. Clone develop branch into your system. Next, create new file. Inside this develop branch, create one file. Create one file in develop branch. Create one file in develop branch. Then commit that file. Commit that file and push that file to repository and push that file to remote repository. We are creating a file in develop branch, then we are committing that file and we are pushing that file to remote repository. So now go to that remote repository. Right, go to that remote repository. Where this remote repository is available, guys? Where this remote repository is available? Please respond. Where remote repository is available? Where this remote repository is available? GitHub, guys. Remote repository is available in GitHub. Go to remote repository. Then create pull request. Create pull request to merge develop branch changes to main branch. To merge develop branch changes to main branch. Right? Right here, once you merged this one, develop branch changes with main branch, right? You can delete that develop branch if required. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is also. Please go through the steps, guys. Please go through the steps. Please go through the steps once. One minute. It's crying. 1 minute. Back 1 minute.
मम्मी रे मम्मी रे मम्मी
Right, guys. Clear? What is branching and what is merging? Clear? Up to here, clear? Up to here, clear, guys? So now observe carefully, guys. This is very, very important. Now what I am going to discuss. See here, I'm going to create. Here I'm going to create. Here I'm going to create one folder with the name rebase folder. Rebase folder I'm creating it here. Now here I'm going to open the git bash from here. Git bash I'm going to open here. Right, I have opened git bash from here. Right, guys. And now observe carefully, guys. First, if you want to make that folder as a git repository, which command we need to run? If you want to make that folder as a git repository, what command I need to run, guys? Git init command we need to run. Git init command we need to run. All right. So now here I want to create some files. Now if you check the git status, we don't have anything yet here. I want to create some files. Now I'm going to create some files, guys. See here, touch f1.txt. I'm creating, and I'm going to commit this one. Right, git commit hyphen m. Here I am giving first commit as the commit message. Right, now I am going to create another file, touch f2.txt. f2.txt. Now git add. Now here git commit hyphen m second commit. Second commit I am giving it here. 2 commits I have done, guys. Here how many commits I have did? 2 commits I have did it here. 2 commits I did it here. Now what I am going to do? Observe carefully. Now here I am going to see the log history. I want to see the history, guys. Commit history I want to see. For that, which command I want to run, guys? Guys, commands you guys only need to tell. Already we discussed all these commands. If I want to see the commit history, which command I want to run it here? Which command I want to run create? Which command I want to run it here to see the commit history? Here, git log. Git log we need to use. Observe very carefully, guys. Git log. Git log. See, guys, how many commits are there? 2 commits. First commit and second commit. Where I did these 2 commits? In the master branch. In the master branch, I did 2 commits. Now observe carefully. Now observe carefully, guys. Very, very important. Observe carefully. This is very, very important interview question. Very, very important interview question. Now observe carefully. Here, first I have done a commit. First commit. Instead of first commit, I am giving as the a commit. A commit. This is the message name. Commit message name a commit. Right here, second one I have given as b commit. Total how many commits I did, guys? 2 commits I did. One is the a commit. One is the a commit. Second one is the b commit. Instead of first commit to second commit, I am using this a commit and b commit. Right, where I did these 2 commits? Where I did these 2 commits? Where I did these 2 commits? Right, 2 commits I have done. 2 commits I have done in master branch. I have done these 2 commits in master branch. Master branch, I have done these 2 commits. Right. So next what I am going to do? Develop branch, master branch. Now what I am going to do? From this master branch, I am going to create another branch. From this master branch, I am going to create another branch. How we will create the branch? Already we know the commands also to create the branch. We know the commands also to create the branch. How we can able to create the branch, guys? Which command I need to use to create the branch? Tell me, guys, which command I need to use to create the branch? Command, which command? See here, at a time I want to create the branch and I want to move inside the branch. At a time, in single shot, I want to create the branch and I want to move inside that. For that, git checkout, hyphen b test branch. Test branch I am giving it here. Git checkout hyphen b test branch. See, guys, from where I have created this test branch? From master branch I have created this test branch. So inside the master branch, whatever the commits are available, all those things will come to this test branch also. If you want proof, you can check git log in test branch. See, guys, here also you will get those 2 commits. See, where we are inside test branch. In test branch also you can see first commit and second commit. Here also you can see the first commit and second commit. Okay. Now what I am going to do? Again, inside the test branch, I am going to do few more commits. How you will do those commits? See, I am creating touch f3.txt. Git add. Now here git commit hyphen m. Here I am going to give commit message name c commit I am giving. Now one more file I am creating. Touch f4.txt. Add this one also. Git add. Now commit this one. Git commit hyphen m. Here decommit I am giving. Right. Inside master branch I have done 2 commits. After that, from that master branch I have created test branch. Inside the test branch, I have done two more commits. Two more commits I have done. Now see here. Now see here. Git log. Git log. See guys. See. See guys here. First commit, second commit. These two came from which branch? Master branch. These two things are came from master branch. So these two things are done in test branch only. C commit and D commit. Now go to here again. From this master branch, I have created another branch. From this master branch, I have created another branch. Inside this branch, I have done two more commits. Inside this branch, I have done two more commits. One is C commit, another one is D commit. C commit and D commit. C commit and D commit. Right? So where I did these two commits, I have done these two commits in test branch. I have done these two commits in test branch. Test branch. See guys, in master branch I have done two commits. From there I have created one test branch. Inside the test branch I have created two more commits, which is C commit and D commit. Right. After this C commit and D commit, what I am going to do? Again, I am going back to master branch. See guys, now observe carefully. Here observe carefully guys. Currently we are in which branch? Git branch. Currently we are in star is pointing to test. Currently we are in test branch. Now I want to switch to master branch. How you will switch to master branch? Git checkout master. Now I move to master branch. I switch it to master branch. Inside this master branch, I want to see the git log. See guys, first commit, second commit. Guys, remember one point. You have created test branch from master branch. So inside the master branch, whatever you have, everything you will get into test branch. Right. Later we have done two more commits in test branch. Those things you won't get into master branch. Observe carefully. Inside the test branch, I have created C commit and D commit, but I won't get those C commit and D commit in master branch. I can't able to see those things in master branch. If you want to see those things in master branch, we need to merge. We need to merge a test branch with master branch. Then I can able to see that C commit and D commit in the master. Currently, I am not doing any merging. That's why here I can able to see only first commit and second commit. Is it clear what I am telling? Guys, up to here clear what I am telling? Right, inside the test branch, whatever we did, those commits we are not going to get in master branch. Right, if you want to get those things in master branch, what you need to do? You need to merge. You need to merge the test branch with the master. But now I am not doing that merging. Okay, so now I am in master branch. Again, I am going to do two more commits in master branch. See, touch f5.txt. f5.txt. Right, git add git commit -m here abcd e commit I am taking it here. Okay, one more file I am creating. Touch f6.txt. Right, git add. Now commit this one. Git commit -m abcd f I am giving. Right guys. Now here check the history. Git log. Earlier we have first commit and second commit. Now I have done E commit and F commit. Go to diagram. Here. Again, this is very important guys. Please concentrate. Again, I came back to master branch. In that master branch, I have done two more commits. Which commits I have done? E commit and F commit I have done. E commit and F commit I have done. Right now, commit and F. And guys, is it okay? Now head is pointing to which branch? Okay. So now guys, up to here clear, right? First, in master branch, I have done 2 commits. Right. From there, I have created one test branch. Inside the test branch, I have done 2 commits. Again, I went back to master branch, and inside the master branch, I have done 2 more commits. Right. Now observe carefully, guys. Very good. Now I want to merge this test branch with master branch. Now I want to merge, guys. Now I want to merge this test branch with the master branch. If I merge test branch with the master branch, what is the commit order? Interview, if they ask, if they create diagram like this, and they will ask, if I merge this test branch with the master branch, now what is the order I will get? Tell me, guys. Tell me what is the order I will get? Na question em adigano. Is it clear what I'm asking? Head is pointing to always latest one only. Here, what is the latest commit? F is the latest commit. So head will always point to this latest commit only. If anybody download the code, if anybody clone the code, right, from where the code will come? This head only. Head only. Head always point to latest commit. It means what? In this F commit, we have the latest code. We have the latest code in F commit. Head is pointing in the sense what? In this commit only, latest code is present. Okay. If anybody wants to download the code from this branch, right, they need to take from this F only. They need to take from F commit only. Fine, guys. Now, if I merge test branch with the master branch, what is the order I will get? F and then CD. F and CD. Very good. What about others? What about others? Bhavani, Rohit, Sino. What is the next? A, B, E, F, C, D. Okay. What about Rohit? You? Rohit, Srino. See, guys, observe carefully. Now I am going to merging. Now I am going to do the merge, guys. How you guys will merge it? What is the command I need to use to merge? What command I need to use to merge? What command I need to use to merge? Right, go to master branch. Go to master branch. Inside master branch, run this command. Which command? Git merge. Git merge. Right, which branch you want to merge? Test branch I want to merge with master. Test branch I want to merge with master. Merging is done successfully. Merging is done successfully. Git merge test branch. Now see the log, guys. Git log. See, guys, what is the order? What is the order? What is the order? You got it here. What is the order, guys? A commit, B commit, C commit, D commit, E commit, F commit. F commit. Head is pointing to F commit. Like this, you guys will get, guys, commit order. You will get like this. Whatever you told, that is not correct, guys. Whatever you told, that is not correct. A commit first you will get. Next B commit you will get second. Next C commit you will get. Next D commit you will get. Next E commit you will get. Next F commit you will get it here. F commit you will get it here. This is the order which you will get. This is the order which you will get it here. Right. This is the order. The order. First A commit, next B commit, next C commit, next D commit, next E commit, next F 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 commit, ne next F commit. This is the order, guys. Means what is happening, right? This commit is happen, merging is happen based on the timestamp of the commit. Merging is happening based on the timestamp of the commits, guys. First you committed A, next you committed B. Based on the timestamp, you committed C next D. After that, you have committed E and F. Right, merging will happen based on the timestamp of the commits. Right, based on the timestamp, C will come to here, D also will come to here. C will come here, D will commit here, C will commit here, and D will commit here. Like this, you will get A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the commit order you will get, guys. This is the commit order. After merging test branch with master branch, we will get the right structure like this. Merging always happen based on the timestamp of the commit. Timestamp of the commit. Understood, guys? Is it clear? Here you can see in log only you can see, guys. Log you can see. First what we have, guys, in log you can see very clearly. Go down here, you can see first commit means A commit, B commit, C commit, D commit, E commit, F commit. Right, head is pointing to F commit. Head is pointing to F commit at here. See, guys, it is pointing to this one, right? Is it clear? Like this you will get. Like this you will get it here. Merging is done. Merging is done based on the commit history. Merging is done based on the timestamp of the based on the timestamp of the commit. Based on the timestamp of the commit. Here I will give the steps also. While practicing, please follow these steps as it is. Create few commits. Create few commits in master branch. Few commits in master branch. Right. For creating commits, what we need to do? Right. Touch f1.txt. Next, git add this file. Next, git commit -m. Here I am giving a commit. Same. Create one more thing. Touch f2.txt. Right. Git add. Next, git commit -m. Git commit -m here. B commit I am taking. Right. Next, what I want to do here, check the commit history of the master. Check the commit history of the master. Check the commit history of the master branch. Master branch. How we will check the commit history? Git log -1 line. If you want to get it in one line, you can able to use this command. Right. So next, what I want to do, I want to create new branch. Create a new branch. Create a new branch. Create a new branch. Here I'm taking as test, and create few commits in the test branch. Few commits on test branch. Right. Same I'm going to copy paste here. Just I will change the names. Right here F2, right? Here I'm taking F3. Here I will take C commit. Right here F4. Here I will take D commit. D commit I'm taking like this, right? So next here, if you want to see the commit history, Here, if you want to see the commit history, you can see it here. Check the commit history. Check the commit history. Commit history. Check the commit history on test branch. On test branch. Guys, here, how you guys will create the test branch? How you guys will create the test branch? Here, I didn't give that step. See here, check git checkout at -b test branch. With this command, directly we can create the branch and we can move that branch also. Both things will happen with this command. Okay, so now here I want to see the commit history. Check the commit history on test branch. Here, use same command git log -1 line one line we need to give. Right. So next, move back to master branch. Move back to master branch. Move back to master branch and create few more commits. And create few more commits. Right. For that, what we need to do? Git checkout. I want to move back to master branch. Git checkout master. Git checkout master. Now here, same. I'm going to take these things. Right here, I will take F4, right? F5 I am taking. Right here, I will give A, B, C, D. E I am giving. Right here, F6 I am taking. Right here, I will give F I am giving. F I am giving like this. Right? So next, check the commit history again. Check the commit history of the master branch. Check the commit history on master branch. How we will check? Same command. Git log -one line we need to give. Right. So now I want to merge test branch with the master branch. Merge test branch with master branch. Test branch with master branch. For that, what we need to do? Right, we need to go to master branch. In that master branch, git merge test. Git merge test we need to run. Now here, check the commit history after merging. Check the commit history of master. Check commit history of master. Git log -one line. Real-time scenario, we have latest code directly in F commit. Does it is needed to merge old code to? No guys, latest code in the sense in master branch, whatever the commits we did, that latest code. In test branch code, if you want in master branch, you need to merge it. In test branch code, if you want to see in master branch, you need to merge. Without merging, you can't able to get the test branch code in master branch. In master, what is the latest? That is pointing by head. In master, the latest code is pointing by head. Here guys, same, practice all these things. Same as it is, follow the steps and check it. How you guys are getting that order and everything. Alright, so next guys. So once you guys are clear about this merging order and all. On the master branch, I did two commits, A commit and B commit. Later, I created branch, test branch. In test branch, I did two commits, C commit and D commit. Again, we went back to master branch and we did E commit and F commit. If I merge test branch with master branch, what is happening? How you are getting the order? Always we need to keep one thing in our mind. Whichever commit head is pointing, see guys, whichever commit head is pointing, see, after getting like this also, see, go to this diagram. After getting like this also, head is pointing to this F commit. Head is pointing to this F commit. This is very, very important. Observe carefully. Head is pointing to this F commit only. Right. So now inside the F, whatever the code is, that one only it is telling as the right latest code. Head is pointing to this F commit means what it is representing. Array, inside this F commit, we have the latest code. Even if you did the merge at here, but still it is telling inside this F only latest code is present. At this point, we need to keep in our mind. Always we need to keep one thing in our mind. Right, whichever commit head is pointing, that is very important for us. That is the data that anyone can download into their machines. We can say that is the topmost version of the code. This is the latest version of the code, guys. Okay. In version controlling, I told here A commit one version it will maintain, with B commit different version, C commit different version, D commit different version, E commit different version, F is the different version. For every commit it will preserve the version, guys. It will store with one version. Right, in this version only latest code is present, it is representing. Right, so here yes, now observe carefully. So now my question is, as a developer I know in this C commit and D commit I have the latest code, not in F commit. In C commit and D commit latest code is present. Now my head should represent this latest code only instead of pointing this F commit. What is my requirement, guys? I know inside this D commit I have the latest code, but head is pointing to this F. No, head should represent to this D commit only. What we need to do? Means what is the meaning for this, guys? See here C commit, when you done the merge, C commit and D commit is going to here. But what I am telling, arey boss, latest code is present in this D commit. So head should point to this D commit only. If head wants to point to this D commit, then you need to get this one at the end. C and D like this you need to get. Now head will point to this one. Not at here. When you did the merge operation, based on the commit timestamp only you will get the order. But what I am telling, array, inside the F latest code is not there. I know, I am the developer. I only developed this. Inside D latest code is present. So head should point to this D commit only, not F commit. Then what I need to do? The question is this question is clear, guys? Right, inside the test branch latest code is there, not in master branch, but head is pointing to master branch. Head should represent my test branch. Why? Because my test branch contains the latest code. How you can get this test branch as the latest one? How head will point to this D commit? Is it clear what I am telling? Right here, the branch is generally used by the developers for creating separate functionality. Right, guys, branches are used by the developers for creating separate functionalities. Right, imagine the code created on the branch is the latest version of the code. The code created on this test branch is the latest version of the code. But when you do merging, what is happening? Still, the code which is present in the master branch is getting projected as the topmost version of the code. Is it clear what I am telling? Imagine, guys, just imagine. Inside the test branch, latest version of the code is present. But when you do merging, what is happening here? Right, still the code which is present in the master branch is getting projected as the topmost version of the code. Whenever we do a regular merge operation, whatever the commit present on the test branch, those commits are getting inserted based on the timestamp. If you go for regular merge, what is happening? Right, this test branch commits will merge between this B and D only, because it is getting inserted based on the timestamp of the commits. Right. So those the developer will feels this code is the latest functionality. If developers feels like, array, this code is the latest functionality, you want to project this code as the latest functionality. It is not getting projected. Some older commits are still getting projected as the latest function. As a developer, you know what is the latest code, right? So you need to show, you need to tell, array, please project this one as the latest code, but still you are projecting something else as the latest code, not this master one as the latest code. You need to project this test branch code as the latest code. Then what we need to do, what I want to do now is, right, this is not happening on the regular merge, guys. If you do git merge test, right, it is not going to happen. If you do git merge test, right, based on the commit timestamp only, merging will done. But I don't want like that, right? What developer needs to do, what developer need to do here, right? Whatever code is coming from the test branch, that is having the latest version of the code, this latest version should project as the topmost in the commit history. In this kind of scenario, right, we will perform what is called as fast forward merge. In interview, they will ask what is fast forward merge. Fast forward merge. In interview, they will ask fast forward merge, guys. Fast forward merge. We need to do this fast forward merge, guys, not regular merge. We need to go with this fast forward merge. If you want to project that test branch code as the latest version of the code, then we need to go for this fast forward merge, right? How you can able to perform this fast forward merge, guys? How you can able to perform fast forward merge, guys? By using rebase concept. By using rebase concept. Interview, they will ask a question like, what is the difference between git merge and git rebase? Very, very important question. What is the difference between git merge and git rebase? అర్థమైందా డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటో? If you do git merge, what is happening? Based on the commit timestamp only, right, that merging will happen. If you go with the git rebase, right, that branch code, test branch code, whatever the branch you are merging, that branch code, it will project as the latest version of the code. Understood, guys? Difference is clear. I will show practically. Please give me the time. First, tell me difference is clear. If you go with git merge, what is happening? Based on the commit timestamp only, merging will happen. If you go with git rebase, what is happening? What is happening? Whatever the branch you are merging, that branch code is going to project as the latest version of the code. Right? In this case, what is happening? Master branch only, it is projecting as the latest code. But with this, right, the branch, whatever you are merging, that code, it is going to project as the latest code. అర్థమైందండి guys? This is the git merge, guys. This is the git merge. Right? If you do git rebase, these two things will come at the end. These two things will come at the end, and this head will point to decommit. Head will point to decommit. Okay? Fine. So now how to do that practically, we'll see. So we'll see the practically how to do that. Okay? Fine, guys. Now observe carefully what I am going to do. Observe carefully what I am going to do. Right. Let me create one more folder. I'm not going to use this folder. Let me create. I'm going to delete this one. Before, if you want to delete that, this it bashes you want to delete. Otherwise, you can't able to delete. Delete it. Right. Now let me create one more time folder with name rebase. Rebase folder I have created. Okay, fine. So now open git bash from here. Right here, git init. I want to make that folder as a git repository. Git init. Right. So now here what I am going to do, observe carefully. Right. So now here I'm going to create some files. Touch F1. Right. Add this file to staging area. Git add dot commit this file. Git commit -m a commit I am taking. Right now touch F2 file I am creating. Add this file to staging area. Git add commit this file. Git commit -m b commit I am taking. Right. So now check the commit history. Git log -one line. See guys, A B. Head is pointing to which one? B. Head is pointing to B. Let me draw the diagram properly. A commit, B commit. Two things we have it here. Two commits we have. A commit is there and B commit is there. Right. Here head is pointing to which one? B commit. Head is pointing to B commit at here. See here in log you can see head is pointing to master branch B commit. Head is pointing to master branch B commit. Means what? Inside the B commit version, inside this version, latest code is present. Right. So now here what I am going to do? Right here I am going to create one branch. I am going to create one branch. Git checkout -b test branch. Right now I move to test branch. Now here if you see git log -one line, inside the master what you have, everything you can get in test branch also. Test branch also you can get it here. Right. Now here I am going to create few more commits. Right. Touch F3, git add and git commit. Git commit -m c commit I am doing. Right. Now one more thing. Touch F4, git add, right, git commit -m. Here I am going to give decommit. Right now here check the log. Git log -one line. A commit, B commit came from master. C commit and D commit happened in this test branch. Okay. Now let me go to here. Here we have created one branch. We have created one branch, and here I have created. Here I have created two more commits. What commits I have created? C commit and D commit. C commit and D commit we have created. C commit and D commit we have created it here. Fine guys. Right. So now again I am going back to master branch. Again I am going back to master branch. Git checkout master. Git checkout master. Now you are in master branch. And again here I am going to create few more commits. Touch F4 we created a F5. Git add, git commit -m abcd e commit. E commit I am giving. Touch F6, git add, git commit -m bcd e f commit I am giving. Right. Fine. Now check the history. Git log -one line. See guys, A commit, B commit, E commit, F commit. Head is pointing to F commit only. Here head is pointing to master F commit. Right now here, go to here. Right here. BCD E commit. F commit I took it here. E commit and F commit. Right. So again you came back to master, and in master you are creating E commit and F commits. Okay, so now head is pointing to F commit. Head is pointing to this head commit only. Head is pointing to this head F commit, guys. Right. So now if you do regular merge operation, what it will happen? What it will happen if you do regular merge operation? You will get like this. You will get like this, guys. See here, A commit you will get, B commit you will get, C commit you will get, D commit you will get, E commit you will get, F commit you will get. So this is the order which you will get if you do a regular merge operation. If you do regular merge operation, this is what is going to happen. This is what is going to happen when you did regular merge operation. A commit, B commit, C commit, D commit, F commit, E commit, F commit. Head will point to this F commit only. Head is pointing to this F commit. When this one will happen? When you did a regular merge operation. If you use git merge, this is what is going to happen. Head, right? So this is happening when regular merge operation. Regular git merge. Regular git merge. Right. So, but as per my requirement, what I want to get? As per my requirement, what I want to get, guys? Not like this. Not like this. I want to get C commit and D committed here. Head should point to this D commit. From test branch, whatever code is coming, right, head should point to that code, not master branch code. From test branch, this is test branch, guys. See here, this is the master branch. Master branch. So this is the test branch. This is the test branch. From test branch, whatever code is coming, head should point to that one. Head should point to that one. Head should not point to master branch code. Then what I need to do? We need to go for fast forward merge. Fast forward merge we need to do for that, guys. Fast forward merge. Right. So how you can able to achieve that fast forward merge? By using git rebase command, we can achieve that fast forward merge. So we need to use it here. Git rebase. Git rebase we need to do it here. Understood, guys? How we will perform git rebase it here? How we will perform git rebase, guys? Right. Observe carefully. Observe carefully here what we need to do. How if you want to perform git rebase. To do rebasing, the process first go to the test branch, guys. First go to the test branch. Currently we are in master branch. Go to the test branch. Git checkout test branch. Git checkout test branch. Right now we move to test branch. We move to test branch. Here we need to do the rebase. Git rebase. Git rebase master. I want to rebase the master, guys. I want to rebase the master. Git rebase master branch. Where I am executing this command? In the test branch I am executing this command. Right? Rebasing. Successfully rebased and updated. successfully rebased and updated. Once rebasing is done, go back to the master branch. It git checkout master, git checkout master. Now you are in master. Master, now do the git merge operation. Git merge test, git merge test. Right guys, now check the history. Git log hyphen one line. See guys, how you got the order? A, B. See guys, if you do regular merge, after A, B, what you need to get? CD you need to get. CD you need to get. But here what you are getting? Here we are getting EF and CD. Head is pointing to which version? D version. Head is pointing to decommit. Decommit is coming from test branch. Test branch guys. Is it clear? Order got changed or not? A, B, instead of CD here we are getting E and F. After that C and D we are getting. Is it clear guys? Right, this is git rebase. See, after doing git rebase, how you will get? How you will get it here? A you are getting, B you are getting, E you are getting, F you are getting, C you are getting, D you are getting. This is what you are going to get. A commit, B commit, E commit, F commit, C commit, D commit. It is pointing to which one? It is pointing to this is rebase guys, git rebase. Git rebase. Clear? Difference between git merge and git rebase, very very important entry question. Git rebase. This is used for performing a fast forward merge. Right, all the commits coming from the test branch, test or whatever the branch you will create, that one test branch coming from the test branch will be added at the top of the commit history, top of the commit history, not in the middle guys, top of the commit history. Right, this is generally used when when the code coming from a test branch contains the latest code, latest version or latest version and so if this code on and with this code, so So which we will later perform this code base, this code, right, which we will later perform a build operation. My Jenkins needs to take the code from this only. My Jenkins needs to take code from this branch, code from this version only. Right, perform build operation. Then we can use rebasing concept. Rebasing. Clear, guys? For this, what we need to do, same, I'm going to copy paste, right, whatever the commits we did, right, all these things I'm copy pasting from. Merging is done, create a few commits in master branch, and all these things I'm taking again. Okay. F6, up to F6 we did, right? Copy. Up to F6 we did here. After F6 is done, what we did? A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F commits are done. Next, what we are doing? Rebasing test with master. Here, rebasing test branch with the master branch. Rebasing test branch with master branch. For that, first we need to go to the test branch. Right, to go to test branch first. Git checkout test branch. Git checkout test branch. Here run this command. Git rebase master. Git rebase master. So then again come back to master branch. Git checkout master. Git checkout master. Here run this command. Git merge test. Git merge test. That's it, guys. That's it. Here, guys, what is rebasing? What is merging? What is the branch? What is merging? What is rebasing? Clear? Please practice this, guys. This question is very, very important. Difference between git merge and git rebase. Okay. Anyone have any questions in this merging and rebasing concept? Branching, merging, rebasing. Anyone have any questions? Please ask. Anyone have any questions? Please confirm. I need 1 more hour, guys, to complete these commands. I need 1 more hour, 1 more class is required. I thought today it will complete from Monday onwards, so new tool we can start, but it is not yet completed, right? Monday also I'm going to discuss these commands only. From Tuesday onwards, I will start the new tool. Clear? Anyone have any questions in this? Please confirm. I will tell. Sonar we will discuss. Sonar cube. Okay, fine, guys. I will share these notes. Please practice it. Whatever I mentioned at here, follow same steps and practice it. You guys will get the clear clarity what is merging and what is rebasing. Okay, guys. Tomorrow Sunday we don't have class. Next class is on Monday. Thank you, guys. I'm stopping it here. Right, so we will meet on Monday. Good night, guys. Happy weekend.